If you've never sat in these hanging chairs before, you are truly missing out. They are so comfortable. One of the things that I absolutely love about this one is that it comes with all the hardware you need to install it. So I actually hung mine in a spot where I already had a hanging chair a long time ago. So this is all my old junky hardware, and I'll probably have to replace it over time. But the fact that it comes with all this is fantastic. And this is so light and portable. It even comes with like this bag. So if you want to just kind of pack this up and bring it with you, you can as well, which is great. So because it's so light, as you can see, it's literally just like some fabric. I love the like woven parts right here. It just kind of makes it look like boho chic, which I think is really cool. So let me show you once you're in it, really comfortable. So a tip for getting into these is you don't want to sit right on the edge, because then it makes it harder to like, you want to be able to pull that fabric underneath you. So I always kind of like bring it and scrunch it up forward, and then it's easier to bring up your legs, and then just a little bit of effort, and then just push this forward, and then here you go. I love it because not all of them have like the little foot part here, so you really can just kind of stretch out your full body. So you've got your legs hanging here. A lot of the times your legs are just hanging over, so the fact that you're like fully enclosed here, I've got my beautiful view. It's perfect for, you know, scrolling on your phone, reading a book, or honestly just taking a really great nap.